Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add another account in WhatsApp in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use dual account or you want to add another account in your WhatsApp in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to open your WhatsApp, and here you can see in iPhone we haven't any option to add second account in our WhatsApp. Here you can see that there's no any option for this, but you can still do that. You can still add your account. So you have two different ways. So the very first way, you have to open your app store and you have to use dual apps. So you just have to simply search for dual apps and you'll get a lot of different apps. You can easily select anyone from this. You can select dual chat messenger and you can use dual WhatsApp using this app. But for this, I recommend you have to use second way, which is to install WhatsApp Business. So just go for search here, search for WhatsApp Business, and you'll get that app here. Just tap on this get option, and the app will start it downloading. So you can easily use your second account in this app. So it might be the perfect. I have already using this app in the second phone without any issue from here. So you can easily use that without any issue. So just install the app and log in your second account in this WhatsApp. So in this way, you can easily add another account in your WhatsApp and iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.